Hey guys, happy new year, happy 2020. So let's get right into this video. I was sent this hair by Tinashe hair on AliExpress. So they sent me some goodies. They sent me a nightcap, some lashes, the information to their company, so their Instagram, their YouTube, their Facebook, of course a wig cap, and of course the hair itself. So this hair is 22 inches. It's a 13x4 straight hair lace front wig. The density is 180%, and this is what the hair looks like as I just opened it for you guys. I did not touch it at all. So this is the hairline. It is pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hair. So y'all know I'm not a hair girl, so this is perfect for me. I don't have to do much customization to it. So this is the inside of the cap. It comes with 4 combs, and as well it comes with adjustable straps. So this is what the hair looks like on the mannequin head. And as you guys can see, it is pre-plucked. It's not the greatest. I did have to go in and do a little bit more myself, but it's pretty good. So this is what it looks like on my head. I did bleach the knots myself. So as you guys could see, I did a pretty good job as someone who's not a hair girl. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like, guys. It's beautiful. It feels so soft. I've been loving it. So if you guys want to check out this hair, it is by Tinashe hair on AliExpress. And as well, guys, this is a makeup tutorial, so I came up with this soft glam. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, then just continue to watch. All right, so I'm starting off with my brows. My brows are freshly done, guys. Look at this. My brow lady did a good job. All right, so I am just cleaning up my brows. I did a updated brow routine, so you guys know I outline my brows first. And I did say I was going to keep up with my brows, make sure they are always plucked and ready to go. And then I go in with my brow pencil. So this is the Maybelline Brow Slim Ultra Brow Slim Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm just basically filling in anywhere that needs to be filled in. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. So what I do is basically I apply the concealer, let it dry down a bit, just so that I could get a more full coverage look underneath my eyes, and then I blend it out. And now I'm going in with a concealer that is my shade for the top portion. I actually use foundation, but this day I decided to use a concealer, still my shade, so that I don't have that kind of halo effect on my eyebrows. I used to do that, but now I don't do it anymore because I like a more natural eyebrow look. So after I finish blending it out, I like to just go back in and make sure that both brows look as much as possible the same. So now moving on to complexion, I'm taking my Fenty Pro Filter Mattifying Foundation, and I'm just concentrating that product in my T-zone. So under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And then I'm going to conceal my dark areas. So I'm taking I believe this is the Maybelline concealer. I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes and everywhere that I have a bit of pigmentation. Guys, my skin's been clearing up. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I notice it is clearing up and looking much better. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty sponge. All right, so for foundation, I'm going in with my Loreal, what is this? The Infallible, the Mattifying. And I'm just going to blend this out. And I love how flawless and natural this foundation is. And I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And I did wait a bit before blending it out. just for that full coverage look underneath my eyes, because your girl's been working. Your girl's been working, and those bags under her eyes need to be concealed. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just set my under eye with my translucent setting powder. I am going to be contouring, so I'm taking my Maybelline pressed powder. I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, and my nose. And then we're moving on to eyes. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette, and I'm going to dip into that brown shade. So today we're doing a brown smoky eye. So what I'm doing is just placing that brown all over my eyelids. And I'm taking just a fluffy brush so that I can apply it and then kind of smoke it out using circular motions. Then I'm going to dip into that kind of brick red shade, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that brown. So here you can see I'm just using windshield wiper motions and circular motions to just smoke that out. And then with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to smoke out the edges of that burnt red brick shade, just so that everything looks seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and then we're going to move on to finishing up the eyes. I'm going to dip back into that brown and just sweep that across my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to line my waterline with my Burts Bees liner and apply some mascara. This mascara was the Loreal Butterfly Mascara, and apply it to my top and bottom lashes. All right, I'm gonna apply some blush. This blush is by Catrice. It's a new line in the drugstore. I actually really like this blush. It's pretty pigmented, and I've been using it as of lately. And then I'm just gonna apply a bit of highlighter. I believe I was using the Milani highlighter. I'm gonna apply it to my highest points on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And then we're gonna move on to lips. I'm just lining it with my LA Girl lip liner in chocolate. And then I'm going to apply my Maybelline lipstick. I forget the name. I'll leave it in the description box. And then I'm going to go over it with my Stila lipstick. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to spray my face with my NYX Mattifying Setting Spray. And that completes this soft glam look, guys. Soft glam is in. You guys know I've been doing soft glam. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.